Wow. You know what? These guitar solos just took me straight back into the 80s. They're so good. Check this video out. Hey everybody, welcome back to Riffs and Rides. This is Barry. Today we're doing another one from one of my favorite bands now. God, I got a lot of favorite bands if I think about that. So, but this is definitely one of them. They're right up there. This is Band-Maid, and most of the reactions I do are live. This one is actually from the official video for Blooming. So I thought, I was like, I just need to hear some of their studio stuff for a change. So I'm probably going to get blasted in the comments for doing this, but I'm doing this for me. So there you go. So let's just jump right into it. This is Band-Maid with Blooming. Wow, this is good, man. It's fast. It's fast too. I'm gonna back it up just a second. Don't want to miss anything. Sound like they're fixing to go into some sort of a bridge. God, she's so good. The drums, just incredible. The whole band is. I love the way it goes into that. Let me back that up again. Just the dynamic, the shift is so cool. Coming from just some ripping guitar solo there. Yeah. That was Band-Maid's song Blooming. And this time I decided to do something a little bit different. Instead of watching the live performance, I wanted to hear the official studio music video version of it. And I wasn't disappointed at all. One thing that really impressed me is that the incredible energy Band-Maid has on stage comes through just as well in the studio recording. The live videos are fantastic. Don't get me wrong. I love watching them live, but in the studio version, everything's mixed just so perfectly that you can really hear every instrument part in detail. And as always, I know I'm going to butcher her name. I apologize, but Akane's drumming, God, I'm sorry, is phenomenal. The whole rhythm section is solid. I mean, it's just rock solid. The guitars sound incredible. The whole band's just really firing on all cylinders here. And speaking of guitars, the solos in this song are outstanding, as always. I honestly think if this band had come along in the 80s, those guitar solos would have been talked about along some of the greatest players of that era for sure. Musical tastes and techniques have changed over the years, but the level of musicianship here is absolutely world class. I mean, whether she's recognized that way outside of Japan or not, Kanami is an incredible guitarist. One thing, too, I'll say about Band-Maid is that I don't need to understand the lyrics to enjoy the music. As a musician, I've always connected really more with the melody, the rhythm, and the phrasing, and even just the emotion overall than the actual words. I'm terrible with lyrics. Songs I've even sang to and listened to for years and years, I couldn't tell you the lyrics because they've just never really, that part of the song's really never been that important to me. I know that sounds crazy, but it's the truth. So even though they're singing in Japanese, I still feel what the vocalist is expressing. I can hear the emotion in her voice, the melodies coming through, the phrasing. And like I said, I may not understand every word of it. She does shift to English occasionally. But I understand the feeling of the song. And for me, that's more than enough, really. It just is. So this is definitely a thumbs up. I think Blooming belongs probably on just about any hard rock or heavy metal playlist. If you enjoyed this reaction, please click like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. So when you click that bell, you'll get notified every time I upload a new reaction video. And also, please share this video with your friends. I'd love to introduce more people to Band-Maid because I think they're an incredible band and they deserve every bit of the attention they get. Maybe they're huge all over the world, but where I'm at, maybe I'm just in this little hole and I don't realize it, but even if they are, let's get them out there. I know they are. I think they're superstars pretty much everywhere. But anyway, if you'd like to request your own reaction video, consider doing a super thanks. There's a short video here at the end, tells you exactly how that works. And so do that. Get your video done. And thank you so much again for watching and supporting this channel. And I'll see you next time here on Riffs and Reactions. Y'all take it easy, okay? If you want to make a request and help support the channel, a super thanks is always greatly appreciated. And here's how you do it. Just look for the little heart with the $sign in it. That's the super thanks button. When you click it, you can leave a small tip, and it also highlights your comment. Just include the band name, the song title, and the version you want me to react to. Not every video has super thanks enabled, so if you don't see the button, just scroll through my channel and find a video that does. Thanks so much for your support. It really helps the channel grow, and it keeps these reactions coming.